Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I am unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold6 S Pen case. I've got it in silver to match the silver phone. Let's take a look. Oh, this doesn't have anything that you can just zip off of there, huh? You actually gotta work this one. There we go. Move that to the side. I said there we go, but I don't think it did. I'm going to pull out a key. There we go. Now that definitely did it. I would say, you know what? It's coming out. It is coming out today. Alright, instruction guide on how to install it. Looks like it has some stickers in it, some double-sided tape to make sure that it adheres correctly, and then you've got a ton of instructions and other safety hazards and stuff. But let's take a look at what's important here. Here is the front. You can see it has your microphone, your speaker and your mic. Works perfectly. It has your glue in there, your double-sided tape to be able to connect and make sure it sticks. Here we have the back of it with the S Pen. Looks like it's just one big cutout for the phone. Doesn't have three separate lens cutouts. Tells you slide to pop up S Pen, slide to pop it up, and then it just pulls out. There you go. Kind of feels like last year's S Pen. It might be a little thicker, or not thicker, but wider actually. And then to put it back in, you just stick it in like that and snap it back in place. This side does not have any sticky tape on it. It's only the one over the front because it's so thin. So let's take a look. Snap it on. That snaps in pretty easy. Fits perfectly in there, of course. It's Samsung, so it should. Then we have this. I'll take the glue off some other time. Just want to see how it looks right now. I'm not sure I'll even use the front one. I don't know, it just kind of doesn't work for me, I don't think. But either way, it's nice. Open it up. You have the gray all the way around it. Take a look at the back. It is set up nicely. Then you've got your nice S Pen. And there you go. Alright, that was the quick unboxing of the Samsung S Pen case for the Z Fold 6. Like and subscribe. It'll only take you a second. Thanks.